what's up guys, it's Chevy Monique and now we're going to do the swatches for the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker Palette. This one, I'm not going to have the words going across the screen because it's way too many shades in this palette. A mixture of mattes and shimmer shades. We have 17 mattes in this palette and 7 shimmery metallic-ish shades. And yeah, I'm gonna jump on to letting you know the name of each. Make sure that you check out my back to school giveaway because I am giving away the Jawbreaker palette as well as the Mini Breaker and the BrainFreeze palette. Make sure to check out the swatches of those as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. On to the swatches. The first shade is the shade Virgin, and then we have the shade Good Morning, and then we have the shade Bubblegum. We have the shade Wow. We have the shade Suck. We have the shade Licorice. We have the shade Cute. We have the shade Duck with an F. We have the shade Gumdrop. We have the shade Snack. Right there. We have the shade BrainFreeze. We have the shade Jawbreaker. And we have the shade And What? We have the shade Orange Juice. We have the shade Sour. And then the shade Soaked. Then we have the shade Raspberry. And the shade Cotton Candy. And then the last row we have the shade Lemon Drop. We have the shade Bite Me. We have Cherry Wet. We have Tasty. Tasty. And then we have the shade Cone. And then we have the shade Delicious. And then that is the Supreme Frost highlighter in Caramel Kiss. I put it in there because it was an empty spot in the middle and I figured it would just be perfect for it to be there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch video. I hope that you let me know what shade you like the best in the comments below. Bye guys.